Hello everyone, welcome back to the Chibi Cornet channel. I hope everyone's had a fantastic week. And today I bring to you a Crayola color pencil drawing of Lilo and Stitch I did. So a little bit of a background on this drawing. I started this, I'm not quite sure when I started this drawing, but I started it years ago and I never got around to finishing it. So that's why in the start of the video you see it already. Nani and Lilo and Stitch are all completed, and this time around I decided to be a bit more bolder with my colors, so I went back in, recolored them, made them pop out more, and I decided to finish it this time around. So the reason why I decided to go back to this drawing was mainly for this Instagram contest that was going on. There's this Instagrammer that I follow and they usually do a new theme for the week and you just draw around based on that theme. And the one that I entered happened to be ocean, and I figured, well, this is a good time for me to finish this, and not to mention my sister suggested that I actually finish this drawing, so it just all worked out. Now you can't really see it in this video, but I like to go in with a light layer and then slowly build my way up to darker values with the Crayola color pencils. Now everybody has their own techniques, but this is what works best for me. And to make sure it's all cohesive, I go back over everything with the lightest color pencil that I started off with. For example, with the ocean, I started off with the sky blue and then worked my way up to darker values, and then after that I went over it with sky blue again, just so it helps blend it all together. Like, I know some people who use the white Crayola color pencil to blend it all together. Now there's a lot of drawings that I have not finished over a short lifetime, but I just want to give a little bit of they even go back to ones that they feel absolutely hopeless about. Now for me, a lot of my old artworks are like missing or accidentally thrown away and such, so there's no way for me to really go back on those. But for the ones that I've been unable to finish for the past handful of years, I plan on going back to them at some point. It will probably take me a long time just because I procrastinate a lot, but I'm looking forward to getting to each and every one of them at some point in my life. So if you're one of those artists who feel like, oh, I have to finish this drawing, like no matter what, don't worry too much about it. I think every artist has their little closet full of unfinished artwork, and you're definitely not alone. So don't worry too much. You'll get to it when you get to it, and I think it's actually better to take a break and come back later and you get to see it with fresh eyes, see what you can improve on and what you can change. So a little bit to look forward to next week, I'm going to be hopefully posting up a how to use watercolor tutorial, and I'll be using Crayola watercolors, so please look forward to that. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a great day or night. See you guys next time. Bye!